Hello guys, here is a video about how to have access to the SOS button. For more information about this phone, which is the Blackview BV9000 Pro, please have a look to my previous videos. Let's switch it on. You just need to go to the settings and select the SOS application, SOS call, and activate the SOS function and the flash. Don't forget to add your emergency contacts. Now let's go to the Smart Key application. You can either choose one click, double click, or long press. I would choose long press, which is easier. You need to select Open SOS. Now let's have a try. On the side is the function key. You just need to press it for a few seconds. You have 5 seconds with flash. Then the alarm will be over and will call for help and send a distress message. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. And you can have a look to my previous videos and more videos are coming. Thank you.